Welcome to my channel Z Tech. In this video, we are going to fix a vast error while completing the setup process. So, for solving it, simply click the link given in a description, and here you have to download uninstall utility of Avasta. Click on it, and your downloading will be start. And after downloading, you have to click on open, and after that your Avast will be start. Avast antivirus clear will be start in installing, as you can see that. Then you have to simply click on yes for rebooting your computer or PC. This will uninstall the Avasta all in your computer. All it will not let any file of Avasta to remain in your computer, but you have to restart it. So simply click on yes, and then it will open your computer in a safe mode, where you can again install your Avasta, new Avasta from net or internet. So simply restart your PC and open it in a safe mode. So like that, here it is, we are in a safe mode. Then you can simply change the browser path. You can have to select the browser path from where you have installed Avasta. Select the folder. Then here is an option which Avasta you have installed. Carefully select that option and click on. After selecting that option, click on uninstall. This is how you can uninstall Avasta completely from your PC. Then you can install it from newly updated, downloaded from internet. This is how your problem or error will be solved. Please subscribe my channel if you find my video informative. Thank you for watching.